If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making PALUA KHIRI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves and one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then 2/3 cups of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt and half a cup of Indian arrowroot or paluo. Take that in a cup and add some water and let it soak for roughly about 10 minutes. And in the meantime, in a pan, take about 4 cups of milk, which is roughly about 1 liter. And to that, add 2 bay leaves, all the sugar, salt and the powder. Now bring this to boil. Then after that, stir the powder mixture for a while and add that to the pan with constant stirring, because as soon as you add that, the milk will start to thicken. So keep stirring, keeping it on medium flame for roughly about 4-5 minutes until the whole mixture thickens, which should look like this. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad PALUA KHIRI. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.